Hello! We're so excited to make this kit with you. We're punch needling donut keychain and HeyDay facepin today. So let's open the bag first and see what we got. First, we have the adjustable punch needle tool, monk's cloth and felt, keychains and pins, embroidery hoop, and yarns of course. We also have felting and sewing needles with some thread. Let's get started. First, place the monk's cloth over the embroidery hoop. We want the cloth placed over the hoop as tightly as possible. Tighten the top as hard as you can. This will keep the monk's cloth in place. Make it taut as possible as this will make it easier to punch needle. Next, threading the needle. Let's start with the purple dark yarn. Unravel the generous amount. In this kit, yarn is doubled up. Using your threader, place it inside the metal part of the tool. Once you have the metal hoop come out on the other side, loop the yarns through and pull it to the other side. Once the yarns are out, we will tunnel the yarns into the hole on the metal tip. We'll leave about an inch out to start. Lesson number 1. Let's make a straight line. Important facts: the open side of the tool needs to be facing the direction that you're heading. You can also face it slightly to the side, but never to the back. The back of the tool won't give you good lines. When you punch, make sure you punch all the way in. And when you pull out, make sure that you pull out just enough to the surface and drag it to the next punching location. 1/4 of an inch or 2.5 centimeter distance is highly recommended. We want to keep the distance of the punch consistent. I recommend you checking your bag time to time to make sure that they're even. Let's do another line. You can just pull out the previous line. Yes, you can just pull out and start all over again. I recommend that you do a few lines until you feel completely comfortable. Few things will keep your loops consistent. Number 1, making sure that the yarns are not tangled and easily flowing into your needle. Number 2, you're punching all the way in and keeping the lines consistent. Pause this video and keep practicing until you feel ready. When you feel ready, let's start from the middle. It's always best to do the smaller and the middle sections first. When you fill in from the outside, it gets tighter and harder to do the middle sections later. Another tip is to do the outline first and to fill in. I always like to cut away any excess yarns as I go as well. Another tip: don't worry about how your pieces are gonna look until they're fully finished. They will never look right until all parts are completely filled in. Here I am speeding up the process to show you the progress. Clean up. Once you're done, cut away any long strands of yarns. Get your felting needle. Yes, the long and the sharp needle from the glass tube. Be very careful. Make sure to keep them away from your other hand. You can use it to move the yarns around and poke them back into any place. Once you're happy with the cleanup, take the piece off the loop. Now cut the cloth with the seam allowance of 3/4 of an inch or 2 centimeters all around. Once cut, also cut around it as shown. Now fold them back one by one and place your hand over it to keep it in place. Get the felt. Take the felting and remove the adhesive back and place it on top of the fold. Carefully cut around all the excess part of the felt without cutting through the loops. Next, take your sewing needle from the kit. Thread them. And as we are sewing through the adhesive felt, it might get sticky and hard to sew. My trick is to place some oil or lotion on the needle so it will make it easier. Keep sewing and place the keychain or the pin on the piece. Made yourself a keychain. Ready to make the next one? HeyDay face pin. This will be the same process, so I won't bore you with the same instruction. Instead, here are a few tips. I recommend punching the outline of the circle 4 times and fill in 2 times. Total of 6 punches for each eye. And as for the mouth, I recommend punching the outline twice. Once you have these 2 details done, the rest is easy breezy. And now for the sewing of the pins. You can sew right through the piece. You won't see any, as the loops will hide all the sewing details. Feel free to clean up even after pieces are finished. Voila! You made it!